You are the funniest person with technology, and it's actually quite amusing. This is massive. Hey! Merry Christmas, happy birthday to me! Oh my goodness. For first SMEG. Well, elegant. Woo. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hope they gave me the correct color. Please tell me it's pink. For first SMEG. Oh my goodness. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. Oh my goodness. My goodness. This is gigantic. Bigger than I thought it would be. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, this is the happiest. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, how come we don't have more retro style kitchen appliances? Oh, they did it so much better in the past. Oh, so pretty. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. I do not have privileges. I suppose I'll be baking today. Oh, my goodness. Look how pretty. Oh, it needs to hook. Okay. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Okay. How do I lock this? Oh, I'm so good with technology. And then, how do I lock? Now I need to learn how to bring this down. No, it's not this one. No, it should be. Okay, I will learn. Shall we put it in place? Now I want all our kitchen appliances to be pink. Slowly we're doing that. The waffle machine is pink. Oh, look how pretty it is. Oh my God! Oh, it's heavy. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Well, wonderful, no? You did good, baby. You did very well. I thought it was like, no? Now I need to learn how to bring this down. But besides that, okay. Oh, okay. You bring it up. Perfect. So then, boom, boom. Thank you, Black Jesus and Matthias. Let's cook. I'm gonna get ready so I can film a video.
Certainly.
Isn't it pretty?
The thing is too much on that side. The thing is very much on that side.
Yeah, because I think then it goes around. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So
For you? What's that?
the MSM.
Did you
Yeah,
also
always-
put for me?
We also need to take it with some vitamin C.
You put it in here?
No, not yet. I wanted to ask you if you want it.
Yeah.
Before I used to do it. That's the MSM.
Quite big. Does it say MSM on it?
Yeah,
MSM.
I got it.
Look at this.
It's valid until the 28th, a day after your birthday. Then we need to buy a new one. I'm gonna make a grilled cheese for me. Do you want some?
No.
No? You are having
But I did buy the toast for you, so you can make it.
Because your mom gave us so many.
Well, you asked for more to bring here.
Ah, okay. I thought it was just like leftovers from her thing.
Oh, she did buy extra.
Oh, good. Since I didn't see the salmon, I just thought you'd end up not getting anything.
Salmon was just sold out everywhere.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Maybe more brands are doing they're getting rid of a terrible piece of bread.
What do you mean?
Is it also doesn't have the butt?
You didn't have a top?
No,
Why?
I don't know. The one in your mom also didn't have a top. Maybe they got into their senses and realized that people don't want to get. You need to mix it.
Oh, I did mix it.
Ah, you mix it already. Okay. To our health. Oh, so juicy and sweet. Oh, you got good oranges.
And look at you, you didn't want it.
Because I thought it just would be tart. My mouth is not going to go through it.
I got the organic one from Edith.
Oh, look at you. Like a bob.
One bag like I bought.
Yeah. How pretty.
130.
What?
I paid 130 for
The oranges?
juice.
Oh, that's
So
excellent.
each juice that we have this morning costs 65 cents.
Good for us.
Like it's much cheaper than if you buy it fresh.
Oh yeah, but even if you buy the store-bought orange juice is always weird. Okay. Do you know where we put the sandwich maker? Thank you.
Oh, we do have a sandwich maker.
Even your parents.
I didn't remember we brought it here. That's good. We can make many sandwiches now.
We cannot. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, but if I put it in, it
I
starts.
thought you needed to preheat it. This is the best vegan cheese that ever existed. For sandwiches, not for cooking. And with this cheese, it's so thick that you only need one slice. When we were in Matthias' house, I tried to put 2 slices and it was too much cheese. I could barely finish the sandwich without feeling sick. We also tried to use it for raclette. Not a good deal. Oh, we didn't bring the raclette cheese. Are they gonna use it?
I don't know.
I like to add garlic powder and oregano to my grilled cheese. We're going through it, my people. We are going through it. How do you feel? Through it.
I'm remaining hopeful. Every day is a roller coaster, but I'm remaining hopeful.
Oh,
If I have an inflammation, it will go away.
yeah. Not to be one of those people that knows it all, but this thing is the best thing for decalcifying your heater. Nah, what is it called? Your kettle. Because I know the vinegar and the apple cider and the baking powder should work, but this one works like a charm and it's better than less. And it takes less time. This is what the cheese looks like melted. Super soft. I don't know if it's stretchy. I don't think so. No, it's stretchy. No, you're melty. December 29, here we are. Fresh new color. I'm making. Later on, we'll be making pizza. Yesterday you saw I got my SMEG. Since I started dyeing my hair, now I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I started reading a Throne of Glass series, but this time I started with Assassin's Blade first, and that's what I'm gonna do while I'm waiting for the timer to go off. But let me tell you something. Assassin's Blade, I don't know how you read that thing third. It's like you are in the middle of the action and then you go through the prequel. Makes no sense to me. But one thing for certain that I will do this time, I will read Tower of Dawn and the Empire of Storms together. I will read 2 chapters here and 2 chapters there. So then the cliffhanger, I don't need to wait until Kingdom of Ash to read it. So this time I'm reading this side by side because this book has a lot of action and this one is more the background. It's a bit slower, so you kind of want to understand what is going on. So I would always, if you're starting Throne of Glass, read them side by side. That's my only tip for today, besides my hair that is being retouched.
Die Muskulatur rundherum zu dehnen und disziplinierter machen. Ja, was war denn da heute los, mein lieber Ja, das ist ganz schlecht. Ja. Habt ihr denn
Hair is black again. And the pizza's done. I'm having a lemon drop.
Ja. Ja, wir haben sie ja